Are your feet dry or your heels cracked? Then this video was made for you. Today you will learn how to make a natural rosemary cream to treat your feet and heels. Both issues, although common, are signals of dehydration. They can also be caused by using open shoes frequently or walking barefoot for too long. In some cases, the cracks can worsen if infected, which can hinder your walk. Did you know that our heels work as shock absorbers? The skin around the heels must be flexible and expandable to absorb the shock from the steps whenever we walk or run. If the skin on your heels is hardened or resistant, it becomes less flexible and may even crack. Do you know some other causes for cracked heels besides open shoes and bare feet? Some other causes of cracked heels can be a nutrient deficiency, poor blood circulation, high blood sugar level, atopic dermatitis, psoriasis, obesity, pregnancy, and aging. The good news is that there are many ways to treat this issue. Is your skin in need of rescue? Then why not try this natural rosemary cream to treat your dry feet and cracked heels? Is this video being helpful? Then don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. Rosemary has incredible benefits for your health. If you want to learn more, watch the suggested video. This herb has many medicinal uses, from alleviating headache to activating blood circulation, and even works as a natural anti-inflammatory. Incredible, isn't it? Write down the ingredients. 1 bunch rosemary, 4 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1½ tablespoons beeswax, 3½ tablespoons shea butter, 1 tablespoon castor oil, 1½ tablespoons lanolin, water, enough to blend the rosemary in a blender. Directions: in a blender, blend the rosemary with some water, then strain. Using a double boiler, melt the beeswax, then add the shea butter and mix well. Add the castor oil, olive oil, lanolin, and mix until everything is incorporated. Now add the rosemary and stir well. Let the cream cool a little, then store it in a clean glass container with a lid. Once the mixture solidifies, it is ready to use. You can keep the cream in your fridge if you wish. Apply this cream on your feet 2 to 3 times a day. Preferably, apply the last time at night just before going to bed. Try it and share your opinions with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.